these programmers. And so what we were able to do, again, create a cloud-based product that integrates with their existing ERP systems. They just pull in all the data and try to assist and automate as much as possible the preparation of all these parts that are all unique. So this is batch size 1 for all of them. So from these companies, I've learned a couple things the hard way. Some things might be obvious. Some things actually were for us a bit of an aha moment. But I'll try to share 3 main learnings. The user experience for automation is super important. And there's very different approaches to look at automation. And then it already came up before, like what about data? So first, automation. So first, the user experience. Most of the CAM tools out there are a bit like DSLRs. They're like these amazing machines. Oh yeah, I really want this. But then you need to get a course. Okay, how do I use it? First time you take a picture in DSLR, like it gets really, really crappy, and like you need to have training, and you need to study the manual to be able to get everything out of it. This was designed for an expert, and you need to become an expert before you can get most of the benefit from it. If you compare this to like an iPhone, even with the first generation iPhone, the photo app looked exactly the same. You see what you get, and there's just like one button that says, take a picture. And the first iPhone, the quality wasn't great, but at least it was able to consistently take pictures. And over time, they started layering AI, they started giving depth of field, now iPhones have basically eaten DSLR's lunch. Like in the end, the only thing people care about is where is the weld being laid down and what are the weld parameters. And so we had to completely rethink the user interface to be about the process instead about the machine. Most CAM software is about the machine, where here we really put the emphasis on the things people care about. Where are the welds being put down and what are the process parameters that you use for the welding?